Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be putting on some tire stickers. These are the permanent tire stickers from a company called Tire Stickers. They're probably one of the bigger ones out there that are not an Etsy brand or anything like that. These guys do a really good job on producing these. They are the permanent ones, as I mentioned. So they are durable. They last forever, the life of the tire. Comes with the whole kit. I've ordered stickers for tires for cars and motorcycles before from them. As long as they're installed properly, they rock, they look awesome. Been going for that MotoGP look, that, let's just say sport touring look, Supermoto look with the GS. So wanted to put these on now that I put on the new Road 6s. I might as well make them pop a little bit. So here's the whole kit. Give you a little bit of stickers, right? GT3 RS, a Beamer and a Challenger, but they include this, which has nothing to do with the install process. This is to wipe down the letters after you've installed them, so it's kind of like a cleaning spray. And then this is the glue, to be used sparingly. You don't want it oozing out of each single one of these, because these are glued onto the tires. So you just got to do it sparingly. In order to prep, the one most important thing is acetone. These guys are local to me, so I just picked them up. They're about 20 minutes away from my house. I talked to the guys. I've done these before, and again, they're always talking about make sure you clean them with acetone, not just the tires, but also the stickers, right? The emblems. You got to clean the backside of these, all the contact points, with acetone in order to get a good, clean seal and to last forever. Gives you some instructions, pretty self-explanatory. Just got to be careful with the glue, so you want to cover the whole surface, but also not enough to where it's just oozing out and it looks like garbage afterwards. So let's start putting them on. All right, using some acetone, I rubbed the areas that I'm going to be applying the stickers on, which are going to be in this area right here and on the opposite side, and of course on the opposite side of the tire. And then same thing in the front. You can see that the acetone, you could tell that it's been really cleaned out. I'm just letting it dry completely, 100%, to put them on. And so just grab some acetone, clean them up, and then start mocking them up so you can see exactly where you want to place them. And there she is. 8 stickers in total, all saying Michelin, of course, because these are the Road 6s. And it took me about an hour to do this, guys. And that's prepping the tires with the acetone, the backside of the stickers with acetone, and then aligning them accordingly. So there you have it. Definitely gives you that sportier look. Right, breaks up some of that black. And another step closer to being a Supermoto, or at least having a Supermoto design. So there you have it. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Till next time.